Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In this video, I'm going to share with you my experiences using Kajabi and how they've completely changed the way I run my business and have helped me to make more money. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. So when I started my first online business, The Recording Revolution, in 2009, I didn't know anything about online business, but I certainly didn't know anything about the technical aspects of running an online business. So you can imagine my experience back then in the dark ages of online business. I was duct taping first an iWeb website, blog, do you remember that, from Apple for free, to a PayPal button to sell my products that were uploaded as zip folders onto my economy hosting server. I eventually used a WordPress site with GoDaddy hosting, and I used eJunkie and a couple other products, and I tried to use forum software, and I tried to use plugins on WordPress to do things, and every day I was just YouTubing how to do this on the internet, and then it led me to another tool or a product that I would try to stitch together. And the great thing is that if you're willing and determined enough, it can work. You can make money. Now, it was really ugly as a user experience, but it was even uglier on the back end and a pain to work with. And my first experience with Kajabi was in 2013 when a buddy of mine said, hey, there's this tool called Kajabi that can host your online course. You don't have to do the dumb zip file thing anymore, Graham. You could upload the videos and people can buy your course and log in and have this beautiful experience with your course. Well, duh, fast forward to today, that's how online courses are consumed. But back then that was a novel idea to me. And this was the old version of Kajabi, where all it did was allow you to host your course. That was it. And all these big people were using it, Brendan Bouchard and all these other people. I was like, oh my gosh, this is great. So I paid for it, I used it, I was able to drip out courses and do a lot of cool stuff. And I thought that's all it was gonna be, was be another tool for my online business. And then in 2015, I got word that they were completely reimagining what Kajabi could be and turning it into the all-in-one platform that it is today, that a bunch of other people have copied as well. They've set the standard for what an online business platform should be. When I realized you were gonna be able to build your website in it and do landing pages and sell offers and collect payment, and they didn't even have email marketing yet. It didn't even matter. I was sold, and I upgraded to the new version of Kajabi, and I've been hooked on it ever since. My migration looked like, okay, I'm going to now move all my courses that were jankified and selling as zip files into Kajabi, give them nice little thumbnails, lay them out, pick a theme, and create a library for my customers. And so that was a migration process of just moving my courses over. Keep in mind, I still had my WordPress site. I still had MailChimp at the time to host my email. Eventually that became ConvertKit, but it was still multiple tools. But I started to get rid of some things like lead pages, I got rid of eJunkie. I got rid of PayPal. I was able to take credit cards directly inside of Kajabi. That was step one. Then I realized, dude, I could host my website on Kajabi. What would that look like? Would that be easier? Would it be more secure? Would I not have to worry about updating plugins or having old plugins crashing my website or becoming an entry point for like malware and spam and all this kind of stuff? And I decided to build out my website. So I toyed around with the Graham Cochran site first by trying to recreate it in Kajabi, see if I could get it to look the same and get familiar with the build out. And I realized this is so great, so much easier. I can stop paying for hosting now because it's included in Kajabi. So I eventually added my my website. And then the email was the final piece of the puzzle. I had moved from MailChimp to ConvertKit, and I just wasn't sure if it could host my email list. I had a pretty big email list. I didn't know if it would handle deliverability. I didn't know if the email automation and the tagging would be as sophisticated as what I was used to. And that was my final toe was still in that pond over there with email. I hadn't brought it over, and I finally moved my email list over for both of my businesses, all over to Kajabi. And what I can tell you is that bringing everything into Kajabi has made my life easier. I got rid of webinar software. I got rid of auto webinar software. I got rid of everything I can imagine, all bringing into Kajabi. And I can say this now because the announcement was just made, but Kajabi has added podcasts to the platform. As of this taping, I'm about to move my entire podcast from a different platform that I'm paying for to host and distribute my podcast over to Kajabi. You can see what Kajabi has done for my business. It's simplified it. It's brought everything under one login, which has made my life easier, my assistant's life easier. It's allowed me to work faster, be in the office less, have only one major place for customer support issues with technical stuff instead of a bunch of companies to deal with. But then here's the thing. With everything integrated into Kajabi, I can come up with a million ways to make money. I can launch a live training and I can build a landing page for it, email it out to my list, host a live webinar, offer a bundle of products or record it and sell that as the bundle, do upsells for it, email them afterwards to pitch something else. Kajabi will know what products they've purchased or what emails they've opened or what content they've engaged with to know what kind of person they are, so I can market to them directly. And then I can make that an auto webinar, and then I can run it on my website. And everything is so smart because it talks to each other. And this is what I want the tool to do. I don't want to have to mess with the tool. I just want to talk to you. I want to teach you. I want to coach my students. I want to host my mastermind in my community, and I want to build courses and sell them. And then you know what? I don't want to be in the office. I just want to go live my life and be with my family. Kajabi allows me to do that. So not only has it simplified my business, but it's allowed me to do what I do best, which is educate, empower, and encourage, which guess what? Allows me to make more money, and it'll do the same for you. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.